Let's start the day correct, my lady. Let's start the day. What about Linda? Linda.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Wandiakh. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you always tune in, thank you so much. I do appreciate your support. Today is Saturday. You know the drill. It's now 12 o'clock. Just about to head to the gym, but just to set the scene, yesterday we had a lovely evening and I ended up sleeping late, which basically means I woke up early, tired. My actions yesterday has caused a misalignment to my goals, objectives, the person who I am on a Saturday. I like to do my ritual. I like to wake up in the morning, have some cuddles with Arlo and Miles, get out, buy some flowers, flower therapy, you know, all that good stuff, shopping, alone time, then gym, then, you know, but that hasn't happened. However, we've adjusted it because we're about change, we're about upgrading, we're about, you know, evolving. Woke up tired, had some porridge just to get my energy up, and then I had a bit of a dance to get myself out of that space of I'm tired, I can't be bothered. And then 10 o'clock happened, 11 o'clock happened, and now it's 12 o'clock and we're here. Have I done anything? I've eaten, I've spent time with my family, and I've not done all the other things that I normally do on a Saturday. Having said that, I don't need to buy flowers because the ones I've got are 2 weeks in and they look really, really good. Did house shopping last week, so we don't really need anything. And then on top of that, my friend told me, are you down for a Kenyan barbecue? Like, hell yes. So what I'm about to do is head into the gym. I might not even do a treadmill because my spirit is wavering because I'm tired, but I will definitely do my strength training, go shower, go to the Kenyan shindig. I have a nice black dress I want to wear. She's a beast. I call her. I don't remember the lyrics, but I killed it. I smashed it. Shout out to Wandiakh this week. This week, I've really stepped on my game with the water intake. Well done, Wandiakh. Well done, Wandiakh. Well done, Wandiakh. Gym was awesome. I lifted that 20-kilo thing. I was like, yes, you're a beast. 2019, Wandiakh was on keto would be like, Wandiakh, you're a beast. You're a beast. You're a beast. I killed it in the gym today. I feel fantastic. Fantabulous. I'm getting cornrows this week because this life is not for me. This life of hair, nah, it's not for me. I just need my cornrows so that I can do life in a comfortable way. Zara dress, Primark shoes, Squella bag. Arlo is back from school. Miles will be back at 6:30-ish. It's Tuesday. It's ballet. So I'm gonna make some supper very quickly. I'm just excited about my hair thumbnail. Yes, let's get cooking. I made a lot of veggie stew, so I packed it in Tupperware. So all I need to do is make rice, which I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys. Hopefully I can film that, but I think I need to charge my battery. It might be like flicking on me, but before it just shuts down, let me get cooking. I also want to show you something we're doing with the house. My flowers, I'll show you guys. They're still looking so good. Let me show you guys. This is real life, guys. Don't worry about the mess or Arlo's drink. But how cool is that? I bought them from Tesco and they're pushing week through 3. Let me try and, oh mate. Arlo, your drink is not aesthetically pleasing, but it's okay. It's okay. So there we have it. So, I'm warming up the veggie stew. They call it veggie curry here, but to me this is veggie stew. And the potatoes will slowly disintegrate. I'm not really a fan of microwaves. I much rather warm it with a pot. And then we've got rice, which has got carrot shavings, and dinner will be done shortly. And voila, dinner is served. That's rice with veggies, a glass of water. How cute is my meal? And then this is Miles's, I don't know if I should be showing you guys this, but this is Miles's piece of work that he did over the weekend. And then this one that's featured on my TikTok, it is Arlo's artwork that he won an award for in school. I think this was before COVID. Was this before COVID, Arlo?
Yeah, I think so.
This was before COVID. Obviously, there's building works. I'll show you guys in a minute. In fact, let me show you. There's still building works in the house. We re-rendered it, and this is basically where Miles works. But 2-3 years on, there's still work that needs to be done. They're obviously gonna have to clean the window, and that's why they look dirty, and the double doors. Like, this is the price you pay for buying a Dua Apa and then just doing it on your own leisure with no pressure. But I know there are people who just want to gut everything and get everything done, but we've taken a more chilled step and we're doing it when we do it. So I am due to because the last vlog I did was kitchen being done. I need to show you nice how the kitchen now looks, but I'll do that later. My food is waiting. I'm hungry.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
Hi guys, on my way to Ballet. It's still so hot, but at least it's cooled down. By the time I was cooking food, it was proper hot. But I'm hoping there's a girl I want to speak to, so I hope she's there. You guys, my cornrows look so good. I'll be the cornrow ballerina. The things I do to amuse myself. Let's see if I can vlog a little. I think there's a class going on and I'm early. I'm early and I'm happy because I can vlog a little bit. Super excited. I'm nervous, I don't know why. And now I feel like I need the toilet, so. Whew. Listen, I don't know about any other steps, but my sachet passe was on lock, so that win is a win. About the other steps, plie and all that palaver, let's focus on that next week. But today, my sachet passe was on lock. Oh, it's time to go home. It's so hot. I think we're training on the sunniest part of the day, but the hottest part of the day rather. That was incredible. I'm over here. I'm obviously gonna come next time, but let's just talk in the car. That was incredible again, but my non-existent calves need to step up their game. Maybe that's something I can focus on the gym, because I can't seem to, that's an area of improvement. But my sachet passe, caveat that with a Kenyan accent, was on lock. Are you kidding me? If there's anything to take away from today's session, last session there was a lot of kilume. This session there's a sachet passe. Do you get me? But that was so much fun. I am extremely hot, extremely sweating, extremely happy. But I didn't catch you guys up because last week my battery died and all, and that seems to be a theme, but I need to get that sorted out. But ballet is exceptional, as in, I know Koki used to diss me when I used to watch ballet and figure skating on Supersport when I was a little girl. But I'm living that dream. I'm over there, Supersport, Wandiakh watching, you know. And there was a mixed race girl there. who told me the website I can get the little ballerina shoes. So I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that next week. And yeah, just as in I'm forgetting to close as well. Like close. Listen, sachet passe who? Wandiakh. Anyway, ballet is incredible. It is a proper workout. It is a proper workout. My calves are killing. My core last week when I went in the morning was absolutely killing. The arms and it's just a proper workout. My inner child is celebrating. Just embracing that, bathing in the love I'm showing my inner child. Absolutely fantastic, but it's so hot right now. The treat I have for myself later: get home, shower, of course, clean bed sheets, dried by the sun. What else? Cold shower. The only thing that's missing is a gala melon. I might just push the boat and go to the supermarket and get myself the biggest gala melon there is in this world. But Tuesday, absolutely done. I smashed it. Work, home, cook, happy, healthy meal with loads of veggies. And I'm just really happy. I need to get home. I need to open the window. I'm getting a bit more confident in vlogging outdoors. I'm not gonna go home. I'm gonna go to the supermarket because there's some things I want to buy for my nieces. We'll talk about that. Sachet passe. Guys, they've run out of what I specifically came here for. But I did ring Miles and we have we needed some things. I'll show you what I've gotten. So I've grabbed this. The supermarket is quiet. This ginger shots, my gala melon, bread, Jan Watsits, and Miles wanted some salted. So I'm gonna pay this. I'm gonna pay for this, then I head home. Oh, I nearly slipped into a catatonic state after I saw the price of those ginger shots. Jesus Christ, you need to part with your left kidney to finance that kind of lifestyle, because like £5 for this. Are you kidding me? I know people do them at home, but I thought, you know, treat yourself. You've done ballet, blah, blah, blah. I need to now part with my left kidney before I slip into a catatonic state. Anyway, let me drive home. It's late. I need to shower. At least the temperatures have gone down. And prep myself for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm uploading my video. I'm excited, nervous. My therapist would be so happy. I'm so happy with myself. Woo! What a ride! What a ride! Hi guys! I don't know if you can hear me, but I've just finished work. I want to go and surprise. I've gotten Arlo into boba tea, so I want to see if I can go to the boba place and get him one. I've also not had any in a long time. It's hot, so I think I'm gonna grab that. Maybe I might pop into Primark, maybe I might not, but for now, bubble tea, then home. Look at how Cardiff looks beautiful. Looks cool, eh? Well, the plan was to go with you guys for lunch, but one of my colleagues ended up joining me. I went to Wingstop, massively underwhelmed, so I didn't want to fling out the camera in front of him, so I tabled that. Massively underwhelmed. I didn't even finish my food, so I just want to go get some bubble tea, then go straight home. After ballet yesterday, I'm so knackered, so it's a good thing I have nothing today. Gym tomorrow, then I take Arlo for fencing in the evening. Another long day, so I think I'll chill out today. I'll probably catch you guys later. I have secured the goods. Good afternoon, everybody. It is now 12:20 on a Saturday. You know the score. I'm heading to the gym. I last left you guys on Tuesday after I'd been to ballet. Ooh, talking of ballet, my ballet shoes came. I'll show you guys when I get home. And they are my skin tone, so shout out for representation. Block, black, block, black, shout out. I wonder if they'll let me film next time we do one of the classes. I'll see if I can explore that. I'm gonna be a bit more confident and see if I can. Obviously, I won't film anybody. I'll try and see if I can capture some bits for you guys. Anyway, I just wanted to talk about Succession. Jesus Christ. I hope I'm not spoiling for anyone, but the ending, the emptiness, the bleakness, the confirmation that the millions don't buy you happiness or don't buy you meaning and purpose. It's just beautifully written, but quite dark in my opinion. I'm feeling a bit tired today. We've been doing a lot of socializing. Had my friends over yesterday for evening dinner. We were up this morning nice and early, me and Arlo, to go see the in-laws. So we had breakfast together. But he's tired, I'm tired. After the gym, there's a plan to go for a picnic. There's something going on in the racing tracks. And in the morning, he was keen on it. I know he's tired, so I don't know if that's going to happen. But lately, we've been really socializing. And shout out to you, Wandiakh, if you're editing this. Good for you and your family, you know. Guys, people. The best purchase of 2023 are these shoes. These are my canvas split sole shoes in my skin tone. I got them from Block. I've never been so excited in my life. Shout out to Block for being a bit more inclusive with the skin tone. I'm just gonna pop them on and show you guys. I'm so excited. This is how I'm going. I'm going in a couple of hours. T-shirt I got from H&M years and years ago. It's retained the color. Then pants, leggings I got from Zara. And then they've got a little like thingy that goes down at the bottom. So let me put them on, then I show you guys. Oh my goodness! Guys, they're the shoes in all their glory. Granted, they're the most ghastly, underwhelming pair of shoe ever. I just like them because they're in my skin tone, and obviously they're split sole. They look like that, but I'm just so excited and so happy. Hi guys, it's Monday evening. I've just finished editing this video you're watching right now, and I wanted to quickly sign off because the other video, my previous video, got cut off. And thank you so much for everyone who commented, watched, liked, all of that good stuff. But it was brought to my attention that the video got cut off, which it did indeed get cut off. And in my excitement to upload it, I only selected 27 minutes and it was meant to be 32 minutes. Anyway, I'll just summarize what I was going to say in that video, which was make sure you do your research when you're going into therapy, because there are different types of therapy. What I went for was talk therapy, and there are pros and cons for doing any type of therapy. I don't think people mention that a lot, that there can be a downside to talk therapy. So please do your research and make sure you get someone who will elevate you or help you out of the situation that you're in. I'm gonna quickly say thank you. If you've gotten to this end of this part of the video, please leave me white heart in the comment section so that I know you're really and truly supporting my channel and supporting me. Thank you so much. And look after yourself. I've got ballet tomorrow. I want to see if I can film some bits for you guys. I don't know if I'll have the confidence to do so, but I hope I do. And if I do, I'll definitely include it in my next video. So look after yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to follow me on all the socials and all that good stuff. Thank you so much. Love and light. Bye-bye.